Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the SHRC SH7. There's a lot of letters and numbers there. See that right there? Right there? See that? 14 plus, that's right. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Alright guys, there you go. It's out of the box. Right there in all its glory. And if you take a look at it, you can see that it is just a rebrand of that. The Helicute Hero. The only difference that I see between these two is that the SHRC has a modular battery. Excuse me a minute. Yeah, that's the only difference I see. The battery here is a slightly swollen 3.7 1200. It's a little puffy in there. Just a little, but we'll see. Now I'm not going to put the legs on. It comes with this little bag of these legs. But I'm just going to leave them off. They would look like these right here. See them blue things? But I'll leave them off. Maybe I'll get another 15 seconds of flight time. Here's your bag of stuff. It has the USB cord, the screwdriver, and the spare props. And these props are those ones that have that radical pitch to them. If you look at them, they really have a radical pitch. I don't think I've actually seen a quadcopter that have a pitch like these props. Maybe a Cuppy were talking about it a couple of years ago because he had this too. I actually bought that Helicute Hero from his link when he was doing his review on it. So it flew really nice actually. Except there was some kind of issue with the people had problems with the micro SD card. The video wouldn't record to it, but actually mine would. Now this one has the same slot in there, but I'm not sure if the slot's even any good or if it's just fake. I mean, I'm not sure. But I'll shoot some video, but I'll just do it off of the Wi-Fi. Let's get the battery in here and turn it on and see what the camera looks like. The manual has the QR code in here. There's the QR codes. I'm not sure what the app's called, but we're going to find out here in a second. SHRC 1080p. That little black and white thing right there. So let's click on that. And then it'll come up to a screen that looks like it. Let's just press play. And there it goes right there. Let me grab the quadcopter here. Okay, so you can see that it's picking it up. So then you can turn off these virtual joysticks by hitting this little eyeball up here. And that'll turn them off. You know, it'll turn all that crap all off right there. I mean, you can fly this thing with the, you know, with the phone if you wanted, but, you know, why would you want to? So you got a really nice looking Hubsan style controller here. So, and I'm sure that just has the regular stuff on there too. The rates and the flips and the trim. And the return to China. I'm sure that's all. I'm sure that's included. Okay. So let's go fly this thing and see how it acts. We're up here with the SHRC Hobby Quadcopter. That's what we're doing. And we're going to, let's start some video up. Anyway, to do the level calibration, you go down and to the right. And you see them lights flashing. So now you know it's working. So let's start some video. Okay, that's recording. Let's arm the motors and take off. Now this is only in the first rate. So you see how slow that is, right? Let's get it back here because I want to try some. That's the second rate. There's the third rate. It's a lot quicker. Okay, so let me go bring it back over here. The trim is, get that, okay. See, it's easy to trim when there's no wind, okay? When there's no wind at all, trimming is a piece of cake. Let me see what this, I thought that might have been a flip or something right there. Let me check this button. That took a picture. Oh, that's the land button. That's why I didn't want to do that over the pool. I didn't want to take off or land up over. Okay, so I guess it don't do any flips because I haven't been able to discover them. No big deal if it don't. Who cares? Flies nice, man. I'm looking at the video here, seeing if it looks, I don't see as much jello in there as I did on that other one. That Propel one looked like it had a lot of jello. This one, it actually looks like it's pretty clear. Let me go over there. And then turn around. So you can see me. Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Video looks pretty clear, actually. I'm real close to the ceiling there, guys. It's getting a little tight. I'm just trying to go slow so you can see the video, the clarity of the video. We'll check the flight time. I'll put the clock in there. Now don't forget this was a 1200 milliamp hour battery, so this might be a while flying this thing. I mean, I don't have any idea what the flight time's going to be, but the battery was a little bit bad too, so it was a little swollen, so I don't know, you know. Back in the first rate. The off-speed seems the same in the rates. It's just the pitch that it affects. Okay, so the video's been going for 6 minutes now. Oh, I scraped the wall there going around the corner. So, no damage. No. Maybe it threw the trim off a little bit. Let me see. No, it didn't. Yeah, this thing doesn't do flips, so I'm looking at all the settings on the phone down there and I don't see anything. Okay, so we'll just ride it out here for the battery. Okay, well I got 7 minutes of video, so I'm going to cut the video so I can save that. So at least we'll have that to watch. Look at the difference in the speed from the high rate to the low rate. There goes the lights. So it's going to be landing pretty soon. I'm just going to wait it out here for a minute. Pretty stable, I can tell you that. Of course, there's no wind, so they're all stable without wind. Yeah, this thing flies good, man. Well, the Helicute Hero flew good too, so. See what's happening out here. That thing ain't going nowhere. There's that little park I go to sometimes over there, that little one. Trees are popping out now. Oh yeah, it's very stable. See that warning, the battery warning lasts a considerably long time here. There it goes. All right, guys, there you go. I don't know what the flight time was. I'm thinking it was about 8 minutes. That's what would be my guess. Something like that, 8 minutes or so. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.